Hi everyone, I'm Ameri, entertainment attorney and founder of Ameri Law. We help creators, production companies, and entertainment brands protect, expand, and monetize their intellectual property, whether that's through licensing, distribution, merchandising, or global brand partnerships. Today we're talking about what happens when a cinematic world jumps to the page and becomes a comic series. It's a move we're seeing more and more, and it's exactly the kind of licensing deal we tackle in Ameri Law. Here's the headline that sparked this episode. Deadline just reported that Blumhouse and Atomic Monster are developing a feature adaptation of the comic series, The Exorcism at 1600 Penn. And in the same breath, highlighted that the creator, Hannah Rose May, is writing a prequel comic to Paramount's hit horror film Smile, set to publish this month through IDW. That's a film IP expanding into comics, precisely the lane where licensing strategy and approvals either make your brand stronger or make your lawyer very busy. If you're a creator with a film series or short that fans already love, licensing your character to a comic publisher can do three things at once. It keeps your audience engaged between screen releases, it tests new ideas without a 9-figure production spend, and it creates a new asset that can travel back to screen when it works. The Smile prequel underlines that point. The new comic book can deepen canon and prime the next on-screen beat, but only if the license makes the creative lane clear and keeps brand voice consistent. Here's the mindset to bring into the room before anyone drafts a term sheet. Think scope first. You're not licensing everything forever. You're granting specific rights to publish specific formats for a defined period and territory. If the deal isn't clear about issues versus trades, print versus digital, and language editions, you'll spend release week renegotiating what should have been settled on day one. Fans read these books like canon, and so do future producers, which is why continuity and approvals aren't red tape, they're brand insurance. Next, think timing like a publisher. Comics live on calendars, solicitation windows, on sale dates, collected editions, digital drops. If your screen marketing ramp is in motion, the license should say how the book supports it instead of accidentally stepping on it. Now, the piece nobody likes to talk about, but everybody asks about, money and credit. A clean licensing deal spells out what counts as revenue for print and digital, how royalties are calculated, when reports arrive, and who gets named on the cover and in marketing copy. You don't need 100 pages of complicated contracts to be protected. You need the right pages written in plain English so creatives can create and business teams can sell. When that's in place, the book ships on time and the audience stays excited for both versions of your story. If you're new to this, look at the trend line. The page to screen fairy runs both directions. Publishers and producers keep announcing crossovers where comics feed films and films feed comics. And it's not limited to superheroes. Horror and grounded genre are moving fast because fans want more story now, not in 3 years. And comics deliver that with style. The recent Smile prequel news sits alongside a steady drumbeat of adaptation items because the market already knows a well-licensed book can become a proof of concept for your next pitch. So what should you remember when someone says, let's make your movie a comic? Keep your scope tight. Your approvals fast and purposeful, your timing coordinated with screen plans, and your royalties defined so there's no surprises. I'm Ameri with Ameri Law. If you're considering a film to comic license or the reverse and want a deal that protects your IP, respects your brand voice, and actually helps your next screen project, we can help you get on the right track without slowing down your creativity.